Thank you, GE, for your introduction. So today I'm here to be the individual evaluator for Christine. And first, I want everyone to take out your agenda and look on the schedule to see Christine's target, which is the moral of the story. So today, basically, Christine is here to tell us a story which has a moral behind. So she wants to convey the moral through the story. So basically, in this target, she has to convey a universal target, a universal subject, which is good friends. A friend in need is a friend indeed, which is great. She made it a universal subject so that everyone can understand. And then she has to make it simple. Like today, imagine that you are Aesop or Aristotle or Plato. Just imagine that you want to teach some moral to your students. So today, if you just deliver some boring lessons, okay, so perhaps your students would fall asleep in your class, and then the only word they would hear is class dismissed. Okay, so basically, if you want to teach some moral and make your student or your audience really impressive, you have to use stories. So I think Christine did a great job because she used her personal story and some simple stories to make us really understand, wow, friends are so important in our lives. So I think for the targets, Christine did a wonderful job. Now, I have to point out some of the points perhaps, Christine, you have to improve. And one thing is that you kneel down through your speech. What is bad about that? Because you see, today we have a lot of audience here. So perhaps some of the audience just lose their concentration or just fall asleep. And now you suddenly kneel down. And the audience in the back would think, hey, where's Christine? Where's Christine? What happened? So basically, if you want to kneel down, I suggest you to find a better way or a reminder beforehand to remind your audience or for audience to prepare that you're kneeling down. Okay, so just don't let the audience lose you. Okay, and the next thing is about your stories. Your stories are personal stories, which is, I think, is great. But today you're teaching some great, important morals. So I would suggest you to make some more impressive stories for the audience. Like today, for example, you want to say that a friend in need is a friend indeed. So after you can say, you go to Vegas, you lost $1 million during playing cards, and now you ask Ernest to lend you money to cover up. And Ernest lend you money, and perhaps you can say, wow, Ernest is a friend in need. So that's what I'm talking about. But all in all, I think you're doing a great job, and I'm congratulating you for almost completing your advanced project. Here's my